Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the control settings on the Metal Slug Awakening PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Metal Slug Awakening on your device, and once you have logged in and launched the game, you can start enjoying it right away. Now if you wish to change your control settings, just click on the gear icon at the top left corner, and now you will see the controls option. Go ahead and click on it, and then you can now choose your operation method between keyboard and gamepad. If you choose the keyboard option, you can choose between your aim mode, such as your manual or automatic aim. Now underneath within your battle button settings, you will have all of your assigned keys. In order to make changes, just click on whichever key you wish to change. And now once a highlight appears, you can press your desired new button. By following this step, you can remap all of your buttons and click on continue in order to apply your changes. Now if you choose gamepad, the process is once again the same. You don't have an option to change your aim type, but you can change your desired buttons by simply clicking on it and then pressing your desired new one. Once again, press continue to save your changes. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your control settings on the Metal Slug Awakening PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.